Nice sharp corner here. Gets a little slippery in the winter. That's why they got the boulders here in front of the houses.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
yeah, they both got hit one winter. The houses. I'm gonna keep going straight here.
Yeah.
And then a left turn. About the size of my dog.
Yeah.
Now we're going to turn right here. And we're going to park it on the down slope.
Okay.
There's a little bump on the outside of the window there. See that little bump, the little curve?
Yeah.
Just keep it to the left of the curb.
Okay.
And use this side mirror. You don't want to see any of the darker pavement.
A little closer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then just let it roll down so you're parallel to the curb. So your back tire will be on. There we go. That's good. Your front tire is right on that crack.
Yeah.
Your back tire is also on the same crack.
Yeah.
No problem. And that gives you a sufficient amount of space there to be able to turn your wheels a certain way. Let's see which way you turn them.
Would probably be this way.
Yep. There you go. You got her. So that's a marker for you.
Yeah.
That little bump on the outside, the windshield arm, the wiper arm.
Got it.
If it goes to the right of the curb, when it intersects the curb, as